Hi everyone, my name is Surya and I work as a Salesforce admin. So I have built a Chrome extension called SwitchForce. So I have been using this Chrome extension for more than an year. So it is saving a lot of time for me. So I wanted to share this with everyone who works in the Salesforce ecosystem. So I just put it in the Chrome Web Store. So I'll share the link so you can download it and you can use it in your Chrome browser. So basically, this is a game changer if you want to save the time. So let's see. Let's say we have three orgs like Dev Sandbox, QA or full copy, and production org. And let's open all three orgs first: production org, QA org, and Dev Sandbox. So guys, once you have opened, right, let's say you want to navigate to the object manager and maybe any field. So object manager, and let's say I want to open something in the contract object, right? So I open the contract object and I want to see or open a field, maybe an owner expiration notice. So let's say if I want to use the same, if I want to open the same in another environment, for example, assume this is a prod, then try to open the in one of the sandboxes. So what you need to do is you again need to click on the submit setup, sorry, gear icon, setup, and go to object manager and then open something called, is it contract, click on fields and relationships, and then owner expiration notice. So if you see, it took a lot of time plus lot of clicks in order to open the same field metadata in another org. So what you can do here is, instead of that, you can use our Chrome extension called SwitchForce. You can click on here and you can add the org. For example, let me add this as a production, copy the URL for one-time setup, and you can add it here and you can name it something called production add org. Okay, it's production. Okay, and in the same way we can add this URL as a full copy. So add the URL and mark it like full copy, add org. In the same way, add this URL, assume this like a QA sandbox or dev sandbox. Probably let's keep it like dev sandbox, dev. So this is like one-time effort. So I have added three orgs. For example, if I want to open the same in the dev sandbox now, just click on here and click on here and open dev. That's it. So it will help you to navigate with one click instead of clicking on multiple clicks. So this will work for all the metadata records as well as normal records. Let's say I want to see the page layouts in, this is the dev sandbox. Try to see the same in production, just do one click and it will navigate there. So if you do it manually, it will take a lot of time, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. I will add the link in the comment or description. Please do download and use it. Do share your feedback. Thank you and have a great day.